Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy cheese Maggi. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of Maggi noodles, about 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of your favorite grated cheese and any extra spices you enjoy. Make sure you have a small pan and a stirring spoon handy. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process for your delicious snack. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a small pan over a medium flame. Once warm, pour in about 1 cup of water and add the Maggi tastemaker packet. Stir it well to combine. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. This step is crucial for infusing flavor into the noodles. Once the water is boiling, break your Maggi noodles into 2 or 3 pieces and add them to the pan. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become soft and most of the water is absorbed. Now for the best part, stir in your 1/4 cup of grated cheese until it melts completely, creating a wonderfully creamy and rich sauce. Your yummy cheese Maggi is now ready. Carefully transfer the hot noodles into a serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh coriander or a pinch of chili flakes if you like a little heat. Serve it immediately and savor every warm, cheesy bite. This quick and easy method ensures a delightful snack every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.